We are here again. So today we're going to talk about how to create a function using JavaScript. Before we start, we're going to define first what is a function. Function is a set of instructions used to perform a specific task. Let's take a simple example here. We're going to write function here. Then we're going to give this function a name. For example, the name will be area here. Open the parentheses. Here, all this thing here we call it parameters. Inside in parameters, we're gonna find the argument as a values or arguments as a variables. Right here, we're gonna write argument as a variables. We're gonna write x and y here. Then open the curly braces. Then inside the curly braces, we're gonna write result equal x plus y and dot. Then here we want to print this operation right here. We're gonna write document dot write, open the brackets. We're gonna write a result here, result. Then we're gonna return the value, the values. Return result. Then here we're gonna call this function. If we don't call this function, probably will not get any result. See. Just save it, open and refresh here. Nothing is here. Let's go back. We need to call it this function. I'm gonna write area. It's our function name. I'm gonna write here argument as a values because the x and y don't have a values, so we're going to give them a values like 12 and 19. Then dot semicolon here, save it, open the browser, refresh. Then here have values 102 here, values here. This is how it's function area. Here we have a function, is the hours key. Then here we have a function name. Then we have here the parameters. Inside these parameters we have the arguments as a variables that we have here x and y. Then inside here we have our operation here, and we have here our print, and here we're going to return the result, our result here, the values we're gonna obtain here. Then here we call it the function here. We just repeat our function name, then inside we written a 12. We give like arguments as a values here. Then I hope you guys like this video. It's a small video actually, so if you like this video, just comment in below. If you have any doubt, I'm here to help you. Okay guys, see ya.